What's going on, guys? Eric Pate here, back with another video. And I just want to go ahead and let you guys know now I am actually using a brand new camera today. It's a camera I bought just a couple days ago. But today I'm going to be singing Chicken Fried by Zac Brown Band. And just for the hell of it, guys, because I don't think it's been a while since I just did one song for you guys. No matter what the score is, I'm just going to do one song for you. But I will promise you that if you get 100, I will do two additional songs at the end of in the next video, just for the heck of it, because I'm tired as heck, and I just felt like I was listening to a song, and I felt like, hey, I should sing it for you guys. It's Chicken Fried by Zac Brown Band. And I lost my remote to control my light. Beautiful. Oh, there it is. There we go. Yeah, let's do that one. I haven't did that one yet. Let me know if y'all like this coming back. You don't like my chicken fried. And a little beer on a Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And a radio up. Well, there's the English radio Georgia pine. And home, you know, sweet tea, pink and pie, homemade wine, and Rail Beaches Road. In my house, it's not much to talk about, but still love's growing in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried. No beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and a radio light is sunrise. Little love in a woman's eyes, feel such a presence now. You know this world. It's funny how the little things in life that means the most. And where you live, or what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's all this sign on a piece of mind that I've come to know. So here's a greed that drink with me, raises glasses for a toast. Feel a little bit of chicken fried. Go beer on Friday night. A pair of things that fit just right. And the radio up. I see the sunrise. See love in a woman's eyes. Feel the touch of my precious child in your mother's world. So I had to reach for my controller. There's a line in this song I really like that I never knew it was in it until I started recently listening to it a lot. Thank God for my life, and for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who died. This is what I'm talking about. The ones that give their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried. And go beer on Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right, and a radio like the sunrise. See the love in a woman's eyes, feel like a precious child. You know there's love, either chicken fried. Go beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and a radio like the sunrise. Feel love in a woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child. Your mother's love. Alright, sorry. Phone went off in the middle of the song, so I had to do a quick sync. And such woo here. Oh my god, we got 100% both. The claps and the song. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, favorite. Be nice, cool, be awesome. I'm Pete. Don't do hates. I'll see you guys later.